This gaming PC is basically cheating. ViprTech Ghost 3.0 RTX 4060 review. Ever get that "my PC hates me" vibe mid-game? We've all been there: lag spikes that ruin your aim, load times that feel like you're aging in dog years, and fan noise so loud it could summon demons. You fire up your favorite game, ready to crush, then your rig goes full potato mode. Maybe it's the outdated GPU gasping for breath or your RAM giving up halfway through the boss fight. Either way, you're stuck watching others flex buttery-smooth gameplay while your screen stutters through life. It's draining, demotivating, and let's be honest, completely avoidable. Now imagine it gets worse. Deadlines for content creation, a stream crashing mid-hype, or yet another patch update that makes your PC cry. You're missing out on growth, on glory, on gaming that feels like gaming. When every second counts and your rig can't keep up, it's not just annoying, it's money, time, and creativity down the drain. The pressure builds, your patience breaks, and that quick match turns into a rage quit marathon. All while you're surrounded by pros and friends with PCs that seem to run on pure sorcery. Enter the ViprTech Ghost 3.0, aka your digital redemption arc. With an AMD Ryzen 5 5600X, 12-thread, 4.6 GHz, RTX 4060 8GB graphics, 32GB of DDR4 RAM, and a 1TB NVMe SSD, this beast doesn't just run games, it obliterates them. Want instant boot ups? Done. Max settings? Easy. Streaming and recording at once without frying your brain? That's light work. Toss in an RGB liquid cooler and you're not just gaming, you're glowing. And yes, it's VR ready, 4K capable, and built in the USA with real hands and actual care. This isn't just a PC, it's a flex. With whisper quiet cooling, ultra-fast load times, multi-monitor support, and ray tracing that'll melt your eyeballs in the best way, the Ghost 3.0 is your all-in-one weapon for domination. From Fortnite to Forza, Apex to Assassin's Creed, it handles it all without breaking a sweat. And that RGB setup? It's like having a light show at your fingertips. Whether you're a seasoned streamer or just leveling up your game, this rig delivers serious power without the bank account heartbreak. Curious yet? You should be. Tap into your max potential, click to explore all the specs and find out how the Ghost 3.0 earns its name. Real talk, stock on this one doesn't last. Gamers and creators are snatching these up faster than RTX drops in 2020. So don't sit on the fence while others rack up subs, dubs, and clips that could have been yours. Join the thousands already killing it with Ghost 3.0. One click today equals years of buttery, beast mode performance. No excuses, no regrets, just raw, unfiltered power. Ready to level up? Smash that buy button and let your PC finally play at your level.